Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, bhaiyo aur behno, welcome to Priya's show on the radio. Today we are celebrating a maverick. A maverick is a very flashy, very exciting, and sometimes a very controversial term. Mavericks are those visionaries who want to achieve what's never been achieved before. They're not fans of the status quo as they aspire to shake things up. Mavericks tend to be innovative, intuitive, influential, daring, and direct, with a remarkably high tolerance for taking risks. And let's get into the journey of discovering Mr. G.M. Singh, the Maverick's journey, from the eyes of the various people who flitted into and out of his life through his time, his career, and his life.
रोते हुए आते हैं सब हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा
And let's begin your saga by bringing you the first message from Lorna De Silva. She says, I looked up to Mr. Singh for his dynamism, discipline, hard work, and a never-say-die attitude. And though he never projected himself as a philanthropist, I know and appreciate his humane side, wherein he has silently helped umpteen needy employees, friends, and associates during their moments of crisis. Despite his challenged eyesight, Mr. Singh is a visionary who can see the future beyond the horizon and also into the hearts of the needy with the same clarity.
तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा
मिस्टर सिंह, अगला मैसेज जो है ना, वो उनसे है जिसके पिलियन आप बैठा करते थे और चांदनी चौक और खरी बावली के चक्कर काटा करते थे दिल्ली में. Yes, Mr. Tarun Ahluwalia, your first employee of Nindra International. He says, once on a visit to Photokina exhibition in Germany, he got interested in color photo developing and printing, and believing in his intuition, decided to bring it to India. Because in India at that time, there was only Kodak providing color prints with a 1 month's time lag. It's a paradox that the man who knew that his dry eyes syndrome will have its own effect on his eyesight decided to bring joy to others by enabling them to view their past memories in color by making available the facility of developing and printing of their colorful photographic memories to their doorstep, and that too in 45 minutes to an hour. This was nothing short of challenge to break the status quo with conviction and courage. GMS is thus rightly called the pioneer of the photo finishing industry in India. He has the art of beautifully leveraging people's capability as a ladder to success. He was always interested to teach me the etiquette to become a more polished person, and at times gave me books to read as well. I still remember his words, never look back in life.
हाथ फिरा दूं चमके किस्मत उसके सुन 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 अरे बेटा सुन इस चंपी में बड़े बड़े गुण सुन 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 अरे बेटा सुन इस चंपी में बड़े बड़े गुण लाख दुखों की एक दवा है क्यों ना आजमाए काहे घबराए सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए.
Mr. Singh, your next message is from one of the tallest members of your team, Vedakipit Girison from South India. It was September 1981 when I joined QSS as one of the first employees of the company. My first impression of Mr. Singh was, what a handsome and well-built man. The other early joiners were Satish Kant, the ace down-to-earth photographer, Sunil Mehta, the technical head, Lorna De Silva, the indispensable support for Mr. G.M. Singh, all great professionals that I learned so much from. In February 82, the lab started functioning, and from day one, the response was fantastic. There was no looking back. During the initial days, the number of staff being small, the workload was so heavy that we finished work at 10 p.m. in the night. But we all sat together and made sure that all orders got processed and delivered the very next morning. This punctuality, hard work, and commitment helped QSS become the biggest photo finishing lab in India. What I am today is really because of the courage and the grooming I received from Mr. G.M. Singh.
जो सब करते हैं यारो, वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे, घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे, यहाँ के हम सिकंदर, चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, पर हमसे बच के रहना मेरी जान.
नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें,
तो क्या जाता है हमारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है.
And your next message is from the quiet and unassuming intellectual Sunil Mehta. He says, I most admire Mr. Singh's confidence in my work. He never instructed me what to do next, where to visit, what to do in an emergency. He basically never questioned my decisions. My sitting place too was at a distance from his office, but I could observe when he took everyone else's parade. I admire him for his risk-taking ability too. One occasion comes to my mind where he had asked me to uninstall 2 complete systems at just a 2 hours notice from Worli and reinstall overnight at Mahakali to make them ready for the production next morning. He was determined and he was supervising the entire process the whole night until it happened. रंगे को नारंगी कहे, बने दूध को खोया, चलती को गाड़ी कहे, देख कबीरा रोया.
जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या, और भला सच है क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या, और भला सच है क्या. सब सच है, जिंदगी ख्वाब है. दिल ने हमसे जो कहा, हमने वैसा ही किया. दिल ने हमसे जो कहा, हमने वैसा ही किया. फिर कभी फुर्सत से सोचेंगे, बुरा था या भला जिंदगी.
And your next message is from Mr. Naresh Diwan. He says, one thing which I learned from Mr. Singh is that one must be aware of his focus area, that is, the nucleus, which can give him and his family happiness and reasons for joy. If you are unhappy in life right now, it's not because everything in your life is going wrong. It only means that the thing which is most important to your life, that is your nucleus, is neglected or forgotten and not going great or is missing from your life. Similarly, if you're happy in life right now, it's not because everything about your life is necessarily going great. It only means that the thing which is most important to your life, that is your nucleus, is properly taken care of and is going just great. Hence, it is necessary to identify one's nucleus and focus more on its well-being. This way, you will not only make your life happy, but also the life of the people around you. Therefore, always remember and hold on to your nucleus, whatever may be your circumstance. A great lesson which I always remember and follow. God bless you, Mr. Singh.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
मिस्टर सिंह, आपका अगला मैसेज है मिस्टर हरीश हेगड़े, आपके कद काठी के जोड़ेदार, as tall as you, as charming as you, and as lovely as you. He says, right from the beginning of my career in Laser QSS, Mr. Singh, you threw challenges at me, and ever hungry, I would always accept it. I was young and enthusiastic when I joined Laser QSS. Mr. Singh taught me that if you are interested in something, no matter what it is, go at it with full speed ahead. Embrace it with both arms, hug it, love it, and above all, become passionate about it. Remaining lukewarm is no good. Mere enthusiasm also is no good. Clean, enthusiastic, and passionate is the only thing to be in one's life. I tried to be that. You had a great capacity to draw the best out of me. You had abundant confidence in me. And you are the gentleman who groomed me and mentored me to be whatever I had achieved in Laser QSS. Thank you very much, Mr. Singh.
सिखाया, तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, रोने कहोगे रो लेंगे, अब रोने कहोगे रो लेंगे, आंसू का हमारे गम न करो, वो बहते हैं तो बहने दो, मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा हो।
The 2 years that changed my life. Ajay Manchanda reminisces about his time at Laser QSS. He says, I learned a lot of lessons during my short stint. Admittedly, I did not follow all. Only exceptions like Mr. Singh can do that. But whatever learnings I imbibed and internalized did change my life. Coincidentally, there are 10 of them, so you could very well term them as the 10 commandments of Mr. Singh. Mr. Manchanda's choice of song is his very own favorite too. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया.
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा. बर्बादियों का सोग मनाना फजूल था, बर्बादियों का सोग मनाना फजूल था, मनाना फजूल था, मनाना फजूल था. बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा.
You know, we remember great people because of the great things they do. They leave certain beautiful memories in our lives that leave a mark and make us remember them fondly. An incident comes to Arjun's mind when he was really young and he'd received a call one late evening while working with Mr. Singh from his daughter who was studying his medical college exam in Belgaum. She had suffered a severe attack of appendix and she was going to appear for her first year final exam a few weeks later. If proper nursing was not given, she was going to miss her exams. No sooner had I spoken to Mr. Singh about this, he immediately took money out of his pocket and said, "What are you waiting for? Don't waste time. Go to her and look after her and let me know how she progresses. I will take care of everything. Don't take any tension." He immediately granted me leave and my wife and I reached Belgaum in time, took care of our daughter so that she could give her exams. Not only did she appear for them, but she also cleared with very good marks. There is a very famous quote by John C. Maxwell. He says, "Leadership is not about titles, positions, or flowcharts. It is about one life influencing another." I believe not only mine, but many lives have been influenced by our dear Mr. Singh. I pray to God to give him peace, good health, and a long life.
नज़ारे अपनी मस्तियाँ दिखा दिखा के सो गए, सितारे अपनी रोशनी लुटा लुटा के सो गए, हर एक शम्मा जल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब.
आपका अगला मैसेज है धर्मेंद्र परमार से, the ex-laser employee who worked between the period 1991 to 95. In this picture, he is with Miss Flossie, and in the subsequent pictures with Mr. Boradia and Shelton Fernandez. He had received training, he says, from Mr. Harish Hegde, and then he was made the branch in charge at the Lokhandwala branch. He has very fond memories. His message for Mr. Singh is, "I wish Mr. G.M. Singh, sir, to continue with new ventures and wish for his healthy and great life ahead."
एक रास्ता है जिंदगी जो थम गए तो कुछ नहीं, एक रास्ता है जिंदगी जो थम गए तो कुछ नहीं, ये कदम किसी मुकाम पे जो जम गए तो कुछ नहीं, एक रास्ता है जिंदगी जो थम गए तो कुछ नहीं.
अगला मैसेज है डॉक्टर संदीप बख्शी मतलब सनी से. वो कहते हैं Mr. Singh would very often break into a song, and he was so good. Most of our singing sessions would happen at various airports, waiting for the delayed flights. I would like to dedicate a song he would sing very often, and it also is one of my favorite songs, Chukar Mere Man Ko, Kiya Tune Kya Ishara, from the film Yarana.
छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा.
And your next message is from Mr. Devinder Nanda. He has unfortunately not been able to give his own personal message because he was down with COVID, this horrible disease that has brought everyone down to their knees. But this is a moment to celebrate because the song he's chosen for you, Mr. Singh, is so beautiful. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ कहाँ ऐसा यारा ना याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के. मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के. यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
Mr. Singh, your next message is from Desmond Ronnie Mabin. Fresh out of college, he joined QSS Color Processors in March 1982. And over the years, he learned so much that today he calls you his guru. One of the things he learned was that selling starts directly at the owner's level, and that a good salesperson is not one who speaks well, but one who listens well. One more crucial thing he learned from you, Mr. Singh, is that when you meet a prospective client, you have to do the proper homework. And it should not be only about the proposal you want to present, but about the client's history, their decision-making hierarchy, their strong and weak points, and also their track record. Dress well, talk confidently with relevant data, emphasizing the solution to the points the client needs. This guru mantra is what he has used in all his assignments ahead and had great success. He says, "Thank you, GMS, for all your support and guidance. God bless."
ये दिल लगी ये शौकियाँ सलाम की यही तो बात हो रही है काम की कोई तो मुड़ के देख लेगा इस तरह कोई नजर तो होगी मेरे नाम की पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बहार की बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की बस एक निगाह प्यार की.
Hello, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, and Salam, Mr. Singh. This is your Once Upon a Time team member Priya Sharma back in the year 1987 when I joined Laser QSS. And what a first impression I had. It was a company that had a zing about it, like the energy among its people. From the root boys to the lab technicians, counter staff, support staff, sales team, or the management team. Everyone was as if immersed in what they had to do, and their enthusiasm and dedication floored me. I was so keen to meet the magician that had the ability to make all this happen while he wasn't sitting in that office himself. I used to sit at the Worley lab, sir. And when I finally did meet you, your stature, your style, and sharp mind were palpable, and I couldn't help but smile and be in awe of you. Until date, I remember you very fondly as my super boss. I also have to credit you for finding my life partner at Laser QSS from Farooq Sheikh, the man who I fell in love with and also sang and danced and created two beautiful babies with. We love you, Mr. Singh, and wish you the very best in your life ahead.
चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। अरे चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये ज़माना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। आज जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। ओडले ओडले हो, 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 ओडले ओडले हो।
Your next message, Mr. Singh, is from Flossie Saldana. She joined you in 1989 as your secretary, and she'd heard that you're a real tough taskmaster. However, I learned that Mr. Singh actually has a soft heart and he is fun-loving. We had once organized a picnic, and the colleagues said that we would love it if Mr. Singh came on the picnic bus with them and sang for them as well. They wanted me to request him. I mentioned it to Mr. Singh, and halfway on the journey, he got off his car and got into the bus. Everyone was thrilled with his humble gesture. I am so happy I worked with the GMS group, and Mr. Singh was my boss. He was kind, respectful, and an excellent teacher. He took my mistakes in his stride and showed me how to try to excel in everything.
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं
क्या?
ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं। ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम। हम तुम कितने पास हैं, कितने दूर हैं चांद सितारे। सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं ये सारे। हम तुम कितने पास हैं, कितने दूर हैं चांद सितारे। सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं ये सारे, मगर सच्चे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम।
और आपका अगला मैसेज है आपके स्टार सेल्समैन का, भरत धीरेन्द्र आचार्य. He says he joined you in May 1990. GMS is my life guru, from etiquette to dressing well to having a never give up attitude to being a go-getter, having a positive approach and believing that nothing is impossible. All of which are life lessons I acquired from him. I have achieved so many sales and so many rewards and awards. And all of this was possible only because the training I got from Mr. Singh directly and by observing his mannerisms. Thank you, Mr. Singh.
दिए हैं, नैना आंसू जो लिए हैं, ये राहों के दिए हैं लोगों को उनका सब कुछ दे के। तू तो चला था सपने ही लेके, कोई नहीं तो तेरे अपने हैं सपने ये प्यार के।
बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हा हा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हा हा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मिस्टर GMS, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। मेरे जाने का वक्त आ गया है मिस्टर सिंह, लेकिन जाते जाते ये ज़रूर कहूँगी कि आपने अपनी छोटी सी ज़िंदगी में इतना प्यार पा लिया है और इतना बड़ा दिल दिया है कि लोगों का दिल आज तक आपके लिए धड़कता है। हम सब का, सारे लेज़र QSS की तरफ से आपको खूब खूब प्यार और खूब खूब बधाइयाँ। विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे सर, and may you live long, healthy and happy. We love you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, क्या मिसाल दूं मैं तेरी नाम लूं मैं किसका। नहीं नहीं ऐसा हंसी कोई नहीं है जिस पे ये नजर रुक जाए, बेमिसाल जो कहलाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है